Hello friends, welcome to Shorab's classes. Today we discuss about the JEE main paper of physics. Here the question is from photoelectric effect. So if you have any query regarding this question and solution, you can contact us. This is 98367 93076. Contact us in this number or WhatsApp us also in this number. This is 98367 93076. So let's move through the question. In figure shows the variation of photoelectric current with anode potential for a photosynthetic surface for three different radiations. Let IA, IB, IC be the intensities and FA, FB, FC be the frequencies for the curve ABC. For the curve ABC, FA, FB, FC are the frequencies and IA, IB, IC are the intensities. So saturation current is proportional to the intensity while stopping potential increases. Saturation current is proportional to the intensity. Saturation current is proportional to the intensity while stopping potential increases while stopping potential increases with increase of frequency. So saturation current is proportional to the intensity while this stopping potential increases with the increase of frequency. So here FA is equals to, for this A and B line, FA is equals to FB, but the intensity IA is less than IB. Here FA is the frequency of A is equals to frequency of B. Here FA is equals to FB, but for intensity this IA is less than IB. So the correct option A for this question. Here frequency of A is equals to frequency of B and IA is not equals to IB. So here correct option is A. So you can contact us in our website. Also. This is www.showrafsarclasses.com. www.showrafsarclasses.com. So that's all for today. Thank you.